Romano ae! Romano ae! Romano ae! Desire ae! Desire ae!
Pan aritani na ritingwe balukuru ya University ya Meru nterejechiro barabombete kwithira bakigoma ntukorwa na kumba kwithira kirekana na nguyo gitumi na sababu yo kumba kwithira kigoma ni utongore boku kwa vice chancellor wa thukuru to Professor Manazo Odhiambo.
We are talking about misappropriation of funds and mismanagement of resources. I want to say that we have misplaced priorities in the sense that in our proposed budget 2022-2023, the council allocates itself 32 million, 8 million for training out of that 32. So we are training 6 council members at a cost of 8 million, but we allocate 29 million for teaching and learning materials for 11,000 students. So what we're asking, are we training the council? Are we, as a university, do we have a role to train the council members or to train the students? That's the question that we're asking. And that must come to a stop.
We want to know who is protecting Professor Manazo Odhiambo. We want to know why is it that these illegalities are being committed in Meru University repeatedly.
We have engaged our Vice Chancellor and the Council 150 times, many times, in numerous number of times. There is no change. We only sit down and they promise us promises that can never be achieved, and that there is nothing that changes about our lives.
Akere na ndikibanja choma lecture bamu na chingwe bwete Professor Manazo Odhiambo kumekwa ya thukuru ya kaire na kyoto ke kumba kwithira akiura na kuthire kithomo ke thukuru buru.
Today, the last time I saw an equipment in the physics department was in 2017. We have one lab with a capacity of 30 students serving more than 1,000 students and one technician. Where are we taking these students? In the process of micromanaging university, because they have so many meetings without agenda, they create some other managerial agenda. I want to say here the council sat down and demanded that we stop graduating students with specialization, so that you do a Bachelor of Commerce, tunaandika Bachelor of Commerce. Whether you have accounting, finance, you have to andiki. The reason, Mungu ndiye anajua. Where do you take that student who has done a general degree?
Kirero nkrokini uraka njondo ameria thukuru etete na mbere kumba kwithira gitumembe che thukuru ebothoku orira ma lecture bamu na chungo bethirite bena America thumba batumbete kuthakiwa tira michara yo.
I've noted that the University Council is always either here or in Mombasa. They are either here or they're in Mombasa. We are saying they must stick to the mandatory 4 meetings per year as per Mwongozo. And if there are extra meetings, 2 special meetings when there is a crisis. And that's all. That needs them to have a budget of 2 million. Today, they have allocated themselves a budget of 18 million. So if I divide 18 million per year by 6 people, then a council member is earning more than a professor in this university.
Nataka haki yetu. Sisi tumepeana haki yetu kwa wanafunzi. Wamekuja hapa mwaka wa kwanza, wa pili, wa tatu, wa nne, wanahitimu. Sifa zinaenea huko, chuo ni kizuri, lakini wafanyakazi nao je, wanaendelea kufinywa kwa nini? Management siku ya leo wafanye kazi yao.
Rukibaru ikuthirite kwina wandikani kiutatena watho ureba mbite kwitha kimenene Professor Manazo Odhiambo kumana mutigombete kwithira gitena mbere kwandika ntu kiutatena watho kumare kwa thukuru.
This business of illegal appointment has been there for some time, and from last year to now, we are sure has employed about 7 staff illegally. The staff is told, bring a CV. The CV is sent to the chairman of the council. The chairman of the council used just a pen to write approved, and he signed. The following day, HR get the appointment ready. The person receives the appointment and comes to work. We are saying that those illegal appointments must be revoked with immediate effect.
Mutheburi bombete kwithira kinenkanira mukana kiri Professor Manazo Odhiambo na kuoka kwithira tumba kwithira kialile matata yona kumba kwithira kiathira nyumentu kuinkaiba kumba kwithira bakibwithia komoyongo munene yo tamba kwithira ukioneka.
We say enough is enough. Enough is
Enough.
Enough is
Enough.
Enough is
Enough.
When Manazo Odhiambo does away with the Meru University and the crashes down the Egerton Way, you'll go back to Jomo Kenyatta. He's a professor of Jomo Kenyatta. Bozira is the only jobless professor at the age of 60 in this world. I don't know where you'll go. I don't know where you'll go. Maybe you'll go back to Canada. Mulwa is here for the next 26 years. Mulwa and the other Mulwa. Where shall we go? It's just the genesis. By the time we get to Malachi, things will be sorted out. If these things are not solved as demanded, this is a picketing. If they are not solved as demanded, it will be a full-blown strike until each and every demand is effected, including getting rid of Bosire and Romanas. Thank you so much.
Kumatiane Bitanda Msmoturia. Wadhirinja.